Well, I thank y'all for joining me. God is good. God is good. Even though I've had lots of little setbacks, working on my 359P, converting it from a low flow to a high flow system, coolant system. Like I said, God is good. With lots of setbacks, but as you can see, it is now running. And just do this short video so that way y'all can see it's possible. But if, like I said, it's all running. I do have a little bit of an exhaust leak, which I'm gonna have to remedy that after buying that used exhaust manifold. But you got to get creative when doing this. So if you're not, if you're just do it by the book kind of person, you're gonna struggle with this. Well, here, I'll give you a picture of the whole thing here. But you're gonna struggle if you do everything just by what the book tells you, because you got to be able to think outside the box. But like I said, God's good. He gave me the ability to think outside the box and get things done. It's like this fitting here. This fitting here on the other side, they use these little rubber slip sleeves that are, instead of a compression, copper compression or brass compression ring in there, they use a rubber slip in them, and I couldn't get them to seal up. It leaked and leaked. So if you need to do that, that's actually 3/8 inch pipe. That fitting that goes in those pipes. Even the one over on the other pipe, I hooked into it. So all the stuff you can find at Home Depot. It's kind of the nice thing about working on an older truck. But I know that this I didn't show you all the steps of me putting it back together. But just talk about how I did things. But everything's plumbed in. And like I said, I'll give you a good shot of all the plumbing here. So that way you can see how I plumbed it in. And so far I don't have any circulation issues that I can see. Because of course, you know, I'm just going by seat of the pants feeling of where things supposed to go, because there are no good schematics or pictures anywhere. So anyways, but buy you a big tube that goes in a caulking gun, a Permtex or Permaseal high temp, because you're gonna need it. And you can see I couldn't get the back plug out of the back of the block to give coolant to my aftercooler. So I came in here to the water jacket here and went around the back of the block with the pipe. And it seems to be doing well. I'm just waiting for it to come up to temperature so I can. And the fan is set on auto. I don't know if I got that set up. It never worked on auto before, so I'm not sure if it's going to work now. I did put a couple of new sensors in, and something that I can remedy later. And if y'all haven't heard a big cam idle, it don't sound like a modern truck. So it's supposed to sound like that. And excuse the mess in here. It's quite a mess in my truck. All my tools and everything. Like I said, a big tube of gasket maker. But it was easier to put the tools in the floorboard than to and a top view of the motor, so you can see what it looks like. And see how things are gonna go. Well, thank y'all for watching. I hope this helps. Have a very blessed day.